Today's dish is a play on Thai mango sticky rice. It's super easy to make, it only has a few ingredients, and it's so good for dessert. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel. I'm so happy you're here with me today because we're going to be making orange sticky rice. Begin by cooking 1 cup of either sushi or sticky rice in your pan according to the specific directions of the brand that you're using. Now I'm going to be using Natural Grocer's Organixx sushi rice, which I absolutely love. It's really affordable and tastes really good. Once your rice is finished cooking, set it aside to cool, and then in a separate pan, add in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, which is really like food for your brain. And it's only made out of 2 ingredients, filtered water and the flesh of a coconut. Next, we're going to add in 8 to 14 drops of organic orange essential oil, which is so beneficial for your immune system because of the high content of vitamin C. You just want to make sure that you're using an organic and food grade brand. And if you don't have this, no big deal, just take the juice of 1 orange and its zest. And now for a little bit of sweetness, I'm going to add in 2½ tablespoons of powdered Lakanto, which is basically a mix of monk fruit extract and erythritol. And if you don't want to use this sweetener, then use your favorite like maple syrup or stevia. All of that works. It really just depends on your body and your taste. Last, we have 1/4 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Whisk up all of these ingredients together over low heat until your coconut milk is warm. Pour your warmed up coconut milk over top of your sticky rice. And then you're going to want to let it sit for just a little bit so that it can soak up all of that delicious coconut orange flavor. It smells really, really good. Okay, I've let my sticky rice sit for about 10 minutes now. And I can't tell you how hard it was to not just take a big spoon and eat it right out of the bowl. It is that good. You don't have to do anything else to it if you don't want to. If you want to spice it up a little bit, you can serve it in your bowl. Just so you can see, it's got a little bit of milk on the sides, but mostly, oh, look how beautiful it is. That is gorgeous. And so now you get to add in your favorite toppings. So maybe some sliced bananas, blueberries, strawberries, which I'll be using today, even mangoes. And then if you want to add in a little bit of crunch, you could add in some sliced almonds, walnuts. You could even add in some toasted coconut. It is totally up to you. And this is where you get to play with the flavor. Again, like I said, you don't need to add anything, and I am so serious when I say that. It's so good just right on its own. And then I'm going to add in some walnuts right on top. And last I'm going to add in some cinnamon, my Ceylon cinnamon, which I absolutely love. Okay, this is the hard part of my job. I actually have to taste the food that I made. It's such a difficult part. Let's take a bite of this orange sticky rice. Those fresh strawberries are amazing in there. I do have to say though, it kind of covers up just a little bit of the orange flavor. I might actually like it just plain on its own, maybe add in a little bit of cinnamon, but whatever tastes good to you, trust me, it's good either way. You really can't mess this recipe up. You can't go wrong. Give it a try and then let me know what you think. Hey, if you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because I'm here every week with a new recipe to keep you healthy and inspired in the kitchen. I'll see you next week.